if anyone turned up with any level of anxiety, like I did, kind of sometimes overexcitement is a form of anxiety. But it's also exciting to be putting on this class. So that's, I wouldn't want to stop excitement completely. It's part of life. But can I kind of regulate it? How do I respond to that? So I kind of see like regulation. One way to think about regulation is, are we being reactive? Are we just getting into anxiety or fear or whatever it might be? And we just feel stuck in it. Or are we able to respond to it? So we can't control everything in life. So we focus on what we can control. So we can't even control our own brain a lot of the time, right? But we do have a choice about how we respond to our own brain or how we respond to our body, to our nervous system. The ability to respond is responsibility. Gives you more flexibility. And that is emotional or self-regulation.